The Cuban government has called upon the US Ambassador Benjamin Ziff to attend a meeting at its foreign ministry, alleging that Washington played a role in fueling a protest that unfolded in the streets of Santiago de Cuba, the island's second largest city. The demonstration, which occurred late on Sunday, marked a rare public display of discontent against Cuba's communist regime. It appeared to be spearheaded by parents grappling with the challenge of providing for their children amidst a deepening food crisis. Reportedly, protesters voiced grievances such as, "Without electricity and food, the people suffer," highlighting the significant impact of frequent power outages lasting up to 18 hours a day, particularly problematic as the island enters the summer season, making food preservation nearly impossible. Similar protests erupted in El Cobre and Bayamo, with smaller gatherings observed in Santa Marta near the Varadero Beach Resort and in the Matanzas city. Responding to the events, the US Embassy in Cuba took to Twitter, calling on the Cuban government to uphold the human rights of demonstrators and address the legitimate needs of the populace. However, a spokesperson from the US State Department dismissed allegations of US involvement in the protests as absurd. Cuba finds itself in the throes of an economic downturn exacerbated by skyrocketing inflation and a widening wealth gap. State-operated boat gas, where Cubans typically receive rations of essential items like rice, beans, and baby milk, are increasingly depleted. Concurrently, the emergence of small shops across the island follows the authorization for small and medium-sized private businesses to operate, a measure aimed at alleviating shortages. The Cuban government attributes the nation's economic woes primarily to the long-standing US trade embargo, which has endured for nearly 6 decades. Beyond the confines of Havana, where most diplomats, foreign correspondents, and business figures reside, the situation confronting ordinary Cubans appears increasingly dire.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.